Hello, my lovelies. I'm sorry I disappeared on you. In truth, I've really been putting off filming this one. I honestly had such good intentions after the success of the last two videos, and I had hoped that I would be further along on the new plans for the new business and that I would have some great news to share. Unfortunately, that hasn't been the case, and instead, my creativity seems to have gone out of the window. This piece that you can see me sketching here was started before Christmas. It was supposed to be a birthday gift for a very dear friend. Unfortunately, its creation coincided with the time that I began to become overwhelmed and second guess everything to do with my artistic skill. I have gone backwards and forwards, restarted, changed the subject matter and composition, and fought my brain at every single moment. It's now well over a month, and I've still not even completed the simple blocking stage. The issue is that at the moment, I seem to have lost all faith in myself. And with the closure of my business, I'm feeling like a failure and quite the artistic fraud. Although I'm still crafting and trying to work my way through to the other side, my creativity has been limited to crafts where I can just follow instructions or follow along with tutorials. Things such as knitting or sewing or even baking, where everything is laid out for me step by step and I don't have to deviate from the path. As soon as I have to put any artistic thought into it, I freeze. Even something as simple as putting together fabrics for a sewing project has become a huge ordeal. I will spend hours poring over the different combinations and telling myself that it's just not right, that I've not got the artistic eye anymore, and that it's going to look terrible. The little voice in my head that has always been there, that shows up as the imposter syndrome, seems to have taken over. And I'm also exhausted. Despite having a few weeks off over Christmas, it feels like I'm already burned out. And I don't know if it is the dark and gloomy weather, the rain that never seems to stop, the limited daylight hours, or perhaps it's the recent stress of Boo being so poorly and it being touch and go as to whether or not she was going to pull through. Or maybe it's the demands of work. I've had to step up my nursing, which has meant that it's become more difficult to juggle other aspects of my business life. Or it could be the ever-following spectre of worrying about Mr. Chibichi's health. More than likely, it's a combination of all of them. Add in parenting and trying to make sure that I'm there for my friends, and it's become a recipe for total burnout. I barely have the energy for the bare minimum, and all I want to do right now is curl up with Boo and watch Netflix, or to get lost in a good book. I seem to find myself spending hours and hours reading, when prior to this I barely had a few hours a week to dedicate to my much-loved passion for devouring books. Right now, it's hard to find the energy or the creativity or even the faith in myself to come up with some business ideas. And what I don't want to happen is for any new business to become a chore. So right now, I'm taking the time that I need to reset myself to do exactly what my body needs, whether that's resting or just going through with the creativity that I am enjoying. I'm trying to be kind to myself. I'm hyper aware that this little imposter syndrome flare up will move on eventually. But right now I've got to go with it. And I'm trying to remind myself that I am skilled, that I am creative, and that I am an artist. So I just want to ask you all, please just be patient with me. I know you were hoping for some updates, but right now I need to focus on finding my way back to me.